Hi everyone, and welcome to the Superb AI Academy. My name is Sam, and today we'll be discussing our new Polygon Auto-Edit tool. Polygon annotations are among the most complex and time-consuming label types to create. This tool uses our interactive AI to automatically infer and adjust the boundaries of a new polygon without having to manually enter them in full. Let's dive in. Here, I have an unlabeled image in our annotation app. Now, I'll select our Polygon object class. You can see that we have three options for annotation: the pen, the brush tool, which I've covered in another video, and the auto-edit tool. When I select the auto-edit tool, it will load the auto-edit model and then prompt me to draw a bounding box. Let's draw a bounding box around this plant. As you can see, the auto-edit tool has inferred the boundaries of the object. I can now adjust these boundaries automatically within the tool. I can click to add points, and I can Alt-click on Windows or Option-click on Mac to remove them. I can undo any points using Command-Z or Control-Z. When I'm satisfied, I can click Done or hit Enter. I can now further edit the polygon using the pen or brush tool if I need to. And that's it. You can use the Auto Label tool to significantly improve the speed and accuracy of your initial polygon annotations. This can integrate extremely effectively with our custom auto label, helping you jumpstart the model training process. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.